Tired of getting points deducted from FPL by every transfer that you take every week? Good evening from the top of the world. In this video, I'm going to teach you guys how to use free hit on FPL or Fantasy Premier League. So at first, you're going to go into your PL or your Premier League app, and what you're going to do is you're going to go into Fantasy right here, and now you're going to go to Transfers. You're going to click on the player that you want to transfer. So I'm going to transfer a few players as of now. So Odegaard as well. So you can see that I've used 3 transfers. Now you're going to go to next. You can see that my cost additional transfer use is 1 and -4 is my penalty or my points deducted. So to use free hit, all you gotta do is click on this free hit available, and you can see that my additional transfer used is 0 and my points deducted is 0 as well. So after you click on confirm, all of them will be set up, and this is how you use free hit on FPL. And if you guys learned something today or found this video helpful, please do leave a thumbs up below and comment down what you'd like to see next. Until then, have a good time.